Once the air reaches the mountain peak, it has lost much of its moisture. As it descends on the opposite side, known as the leeward side, the air warms up and becomes dry. This warming reduces the chances of cloud formation and precipitation, leading to a dry and warmer region called a rain shadow. A rain shadow is like someone standing in front of a light. The person blocks the light, so the area behind him becomes dark, just like the mountain blocking the rain, leaving the other side dry and without much rainfall. Vegetation on the leeward side is often sparse, with desert plants and grasslands adapted to drier conditions.